Good day everyone, another day, another property. So for today's property, we are here now sa Montclair Subdivision 3A sa Buhangin, Davao City. So we are selling this property at 588 square meter in total. Beside lang siya sa guardhouse. So if you are an investor, if you want to live here in Davao City, this is the best property. Kaya doon na lang doon sa downtown and doon lang po siya sa main entrance sa subdivision. Check this out. This is now the actual property composed of two titles, one 315 square meter and one 273 square meter with a total area of 588 square meters. Both are for selling. So ang estimated frontage na lot is around 35 to 40 meters wide, facing the main road. For all the clients, investors, or brokers who wants to own this property, contact us at Cozy Living Realty or dial the numbers which are in the caption. Thank you and see you in our next site visit.